Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PayPal payments for your e-commerce checkout step by step clearly. To authorize PayPal payments for your e-commerce checkout, first, log into your PayPal business account. Navigate to the dashboard section of your account. Click on Account Settings located in the top right corner. Select Account Access from the side menu. Next, click on API Access. Here, choose Manage API Credentials. If prompted, enter your PayPal password for verification. Once verified, you will see options to generate new API credentials. Click on Request API Signature or Request API Certificate, depending on your needs. After selecting, read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Submit. Your API credentials will be generated. Note down the API username, password, and signature or certificate. Next, log into your e-commerce platform. Access the payment settings from your platform's account dashboard. Select PayPal as your payment method. Input your API credentials into the respective fields. Save your changes to ensure your information is stored correctly. Run a test transaction to confirm everything is set up properly. If the test transaction is successful, your PayPal payments are now authorized for checkout. Monitor transactions regularly from your PayPal dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.